Letter Y. Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter Y. Sometimes I'm a consonant, and sometimes I'm a vowel.
Hold it right there, letter Y. Sometimes you're a consonant, and sometimes you're a vowel. Explain that to me, letter Y.
Well, sir, you know that old saying, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y? Well, sometimes I'm the vowel. Like in the word my. M-Y spells my. M is the consonant, and Y is the vowel. The same goes for cry. C-R-Y. Try. T-R-Y. Fry. F-R-Y.
So you're a Y that sounds like a long I?
Yes, sir. But I can also sound like long E, like in the word berry. B-E-R-R-Y, berry.
So exactly when are you a consonant, letter Y?
I'm usually a consonant when I come at the beginning of a word. I make the y sound. Y, as in yak. Y-ack. Yak. Y-am. Yam. Y-o. Yo. Y-odel. Yodel. Yodelay-o. Yodelay-o.
At ease, letter Y. Who told you to yodel?
No one, sir.
Then line up.
Yes, yes, sir.